Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alif Zudani. I will explain surfing the internet is more fun than reading a book, and I agree with the opinion. Okay, browsing the internet is something that has become a habit for many people every day because in this day and age there are many things that we can get through the internet. Surfing the internet can also be anytime and anywhere as long as our network is fulfilled. So, browsing the internet will be very fun. Many things can be found on the internet, ranging from necessities, entertainment, and so on. Now, we are back in an era where the internet has not yet been discovered. Whether by just reading book, we will get interesting things that make us more comfortable in seeking knowledge and adding insight. Maybe reading book is enough to add insight, but yes, that all we get. There are no other interesting things that we can get because books are specific and cannot be changed. But since the discovery of the internet, things that we could not get before now we can easily get, and we can conclude that browsing the internet will be more fun because of some of the things that have been mentioned earlier. Reading the internet is also more fun than reading book because nowadays you can easily read book using a smartphone without a physical book. Reading book will be more fun because it can be done anywhere and anytime, and also because we are more simple, practical, efficient in finding things we want to find. Search engines on the internet are very helpful for students in finding information or material about learning because on the internet there is more complete information that can be used, and for example, if we still don't understand the information, we can look for it from other sources so that we can easily understand it. This can not only help only students, but all people can be helped by this internet. Everyone's knowledge insight will be further developed by making good use of smartphone. When discussing knowledge book, I prefer to read on the internet because if I get new knowledge, I become more curious about the continuation of the incident and can immediately look for it if using the internet, but have to buy a book first if reading a book. But when discussing storybook or novel, I prefer to read book directly because the vibe are really felt when reading novel directly, not through a learning book. On the internet, there are also various sources for us to get information, such as, for example, we as students are asked to write paper, and the source should not be from the web, but must be from journal or from textbook, as it will make it easier for students to find journal that are relevant and relate to the paper to be submitted. We arrange it so that if we look for it in a book, it is not necessarily one book that consists of various journals that are needed. The internet has another advantage where reading print book is better than reading on the internet. Through a gadget screen is that the eye will be healthier because they focus on one source of light. This is what causes reading from gadget to be easily tired and prone to eye damage compared to reading book. The internet has no limit, but the internet is also like a knife, where there is a negative side and positive side. I can say more or less sorry and thanks.